Our government, in its current state, does not have the capacity to fix or repair this country. They are on a downward trajectory that I cannot see how it can be fixed unless we change how the government is constituted itself. And that comes from the Constitution of South Africa. So without constitutional reform, we cannot fix South Africa. And anyone that believes that this is possible has not looked at the last 30 plus years to see how this constitutional system that has brought us to our knees have let us down. Because the Mandela era euphoria is over now. um, the fact that people believe a miracle took place then is long gone. We are living in a failed reality, not because the governance uh, changed at the time, but because of the system that was created for government to govern within, and the rules within the Constitution that allows a multi-party state, which is one of the greatest problems. And to call it a multi-party democracy is an absolute oxymoron. So at the moment, we are seeing systemic collapse where government can't even fund municipalities anymore, where the municipalities are falling apart completely. And I've just done a video where I've spoken about an engineering institution speaking about the decay being beyond critical. When engineers and technologists and technicians look at the state of South Africa and they say that it's beyond critical, then you basically need to rebuild from scratch. And this is what this channel Double O Days is about. It is about rebuilding a new civilization from scratch, because this is where we are headed. And for people that think that we can carry on the way that we are now, even through the elections, if you do not vote for a party that will change the political system, that will change how we govern and function now, you're wasting your time. Then it's pointless going to the polling booths, because you have a choice. And the elections are constituted under our Constitution to give you a voice so that you can make sure that we can put a new political system in place. This is allowed under our Constitution. Constitutional change is allowed. We are allowed to say that we want to hold independent candidates accountable instead of parties, which is impossible to hold accountable. They do what they want. They operate like gangs. They are not different to the gangs on the Cape Flats or the overseas gangs from Russia, Ukraine, or wherever that come into our country and come and control our nightlife, etc. So just understand one thing. Without system change, governance system change in South Africa, we are doomed. And you are responsible for that change. So vote for a party that will change the system. And if your party that you believe in doesn't want to change the system, dump them. Tell them you will dump them. And then find one that will change the governance system and get us into a direct democracy where we vote for our candidates directly, vote for our president directly. No system is perfect, but it's much better than the gatekeeping party system that has brought us to our knees. Thanks so much for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Click that bell icon so you can get notifications for future videos. And like this video, and please remember to comment.